Hello students, today we will keep continued the exercise 15.1 question 3. In question 3 we have given graph and from the graph we have to give answer. In a particular section of class 9, 40 students were asked about the month of their birth. The following graph was prepared for the data so obtained. Find the probability that a student of the class was born in August. Okay, now see the graph. X axis born in month in born January, February, March up to December, and on y-axis number of students born. How can we say? Suppose in January 3 students were born, February 4 or 5 students were born, 4 students were born. Same thing we can understand. Okay, here we have find the probability of the student born in August month. So we can see in August month from the graph there are 6 students. Okay, and total number of students, how can we calculate? It is already given in question 40 students. Okay, so total number of students will be 40. Number of students born in August equal to 6. And now we have find the probability of the student of the class was born in August. So number of trial occurs upon total number of trials. So we can see in graph. Okay, number of student in August there are 6 student. In August month 6 student and total number of student 40. How can we obtain 3 upon 20? 3 to ja 6 and 20 to the 40. 2 will be cut. Then we will obtain 3 upon 20. Okay. So in this way we can solve this example. Now question 4. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies of different outcomes. Okay, now see in table outcomes and frequency is given. 3 heads comes 23 times, 2 heads comes 72 times, 1 head comes 77 times, and no head comes 28. Okay, if the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed, again compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. Okay, here we have find the probability of the toss coming head. Okay, so how to obtain head and how much head? We can see in the table. Then we can know. In table we can see 2 times head, frequency is 72, and total how much times tossed? 200 times. So we can write now total number of times of 3 coins are tossed 200. Okay, number of times when 2 heads comes up equal to 72. Therefore probability of 2 heads coming up equal to, we can take PA. Okay, and write formula first. Number of trial occurs upon total number of trials in this way. Then 72 upon 200. Now divide this number. Okay, 8 9s are 72 and 8 multiply 25 200. 8 will be cut and answer will be 9 upon 25. Okay, so in this way we can complete the question 4. Now we are going to solve question 5. Okay, how to solve question 5 now? An organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and number of vehicles in a family. The information gathered is listed in the table below. Okay, now given table is only for your understand. Need not draw a table in your notebook or need not solve this table. Need not draw this table in answer sheet also. Now we have what we have find. Now see, monthly income is given in rupees less than 7,000. Who has no vehicles? There are 10 families. 7,000 to 10,000 income monthly. Those who have no vehicles, 0, 1 vehicle, 305, 2 vehicle, 27, and above 2 families. Okay, so in this way we can understand 10,000 to 13,000 income. Those who have no vehicles means 0 is the 1 family. 1 vehicle contain 35 family. 2 vehicle contain 29 family, and 2 and above 2 there is only 1 family. So we can understand the table in our mind, then we can solve what we have asked and what we have solved. Okay, now suppose a family is chosen randomly. Find the probability. We have find the probability here 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So if you want to write PA, PB, PC, PD and PE in your notebook, okay, but every time we must write formula. Which formula? Number of trial occurs upon total number of trials. Okay, so here 5 probabilities find. So first, suppose the probability of the family chosen is earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and having exactly 2 vehicles. So see in table exactly 2 vehicles. Okay, whose income is 10,000 to 13,000. I think 29 family. Okay, and total families is 2400 given in question. So how to find this probability? Okay, so we can write in this way. Now see, first number of families earning less than 7,000 to 10,000. Okay, suppose the probability that number of families earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles equal to 29. So we can write, suppose the probability PA equal to number of trial occurs upon total number of trials. So 29 upon 2400. Okay, now so it will be as it is, whatever, it will not cut now. 29 upon 2400, because even an odd combination it will not be cut. So now for probability of the second number, probability that the family chosen is earning 16,000 or per month and owning exactly one vehicle, we can see in table, exactly one vehicle. Okay, so exactly one vehicle earning 16,000 and more, there are number 579. So we can use this number 579 upon 2400. Now it will be cut. Okay, 2400 is cut by 3, so 8 3s are 24 and 579 is cut by 3, it will be 193. So in this way we can find the probability. Now third number, number of families earning less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicles. So we can see in table less than 7,000 and having no vehicles means 0. There are 10 numbers in table we can see. So use this number. Okay, so the probability that the family chosen is earning less than 7,000 per month equal to 10 upon 2400. 0 0 will cut. So answer will be 1 upon 240. Now four number. Number of families earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more vehicles, more than 2 vehicles. So more than 2 vehicles means above 2, it will be 25, we can see in table. Okay, so 25 upon 2400. Now cut it. 25 ones are 25, and if you divide it by 2400 by 25, you will obtain 96. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 multiplied 96 equal to 2400. 25 will be cut and answer will be 1 upon 96. Now five number, number of families owning not more than one vehicle. Not more than one vehicle means 0 vehicles and 1 vehicles. So 0 vehicle and 1 vehicle. So we can take the addition of 0 column and 1 column. Okay, so the 0 column we can see 10 0 1 2 3, 10 0 1 2 1, and 1 column vehicle 160 305 550 35 and 469 and 579. Okay, so in this way we can add all this number such that we can obtain the probability of 5 number. So 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 will be 14, and 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579 will be 2048. Now add these two, so 2062, and we know that total number of families is 2400. So 2062 upon 2400, 2062 divided by 2, you will obtain 1031, and 2400 divided by 2, you will obtain 1200. So now it will not cut again. So this is the answer of the question. Okay, now see question 6. In question 6 there are table. Students obtain marks out of 100 given in class 0 to 20 marks. How much student? 7. 20 to 30 marks. How much student? 30. 10. 30 to 40 marks. How much students? 10. So in this way we can understand 70 and above. How much student? 8. Total student is 90. Okay. So in this way we can use the table. Now, how can we solve question 6 in this way? Find the probability of the students obtain less than 20% in the mathematics test. Okay, and second, find the probability that a student obtain marks 60 or above. So here we can see in table total number of student is 90 and number of student obtain less than 20% marks in mathematics equal to 7, we can see from the table. So the probability of the students obtain less than 20% of marks in mathematics test equal to 7 upon 90. It will not cut now, even an odd combination. Okay, now we can see second number of students obtain marks 60 or above. We can see in table there are 15 and 8, so we can add this 15 plus 8 23 and total student is 90. So number of students obtain marks 60 or above equal to 23. Therefore the probability that a student obtain marks 60 or above equal to 23 upon 90. Now it will not cut because it is even and odd combination. So now today we will keep continued. Okay, so up to question 6 we have completed today, and from next lecture we will start 7 number. Okay.